Let's get started and see what we got. Tonight we got 2020 Panini Contender draft picks. We got the value pack, and then we got four boxes, four blaster boxes. We'll just start with the value pack. All right, we got Ja Morant, Victor Oladipo, Buddy Hield, Kemba Walker, D'Angelo Russell. We got De'Aaron Fox, Pascal Siakam, James Harden, Drew Holiday, Jimmy Butler. We got Kevin Love, R.J. Barrett, and we got a Killian Hayes, which he's going to international. And we got Rudy Flyer. We got a winning ticket, David Robinson. Then we got Anthony Edwards going to Georgia. Then we got a green shimmer of C.J. McCollum. And we got a green shimmer of Shea Alexander. Hey, Gregory. International going to Richard. All right, box one. We got Kevin Love, R.J. Barrett, and for the Auburn Tigers, we got Isaac Okoro, one to Brian K. And we got Chris Paul, red, Kawhi Leonard, and Russell Westbrook. Isaac Okoro for Auburn. Drew Holiday, got Jimmy Butler, got a winning ticket, Bill Russell. And there you go, Obi Toppin going to Dayton. That's going to Garrett. Chris Paul and Trae Young. Pascal Siakam, got James Harden, got Ed Davis, that's red. Josh Green for Arizona, going to Gregory. Got Zach LaVine and Jaylen Brown. Yeah, guys, next week I'll have some mosaic coming in too. Guys that are interested in basketball. Got D'Angelo Russell, De'Aaron Fox, Kentucky mascot. Got a red, Jaylen Brown, Jaren Jackson, and Chris Middleton. And we got Buddy Hield, got Kemba Walker, got Denny Avdija. Let's see, he's going to international also. Then we got a Malachi Flynn auto. And he's going to go to other San Diego. Who has other than that? That's going to be Brian K. on the auto. Got Joe Embiid, JJ Redick. Hey, some people collect the mascots, man. There's Denny going to International, going to Richard. Ja Morant, Victor Oladipo. And there's another Obi Toppin for Dayton. Nice. Going to Garrett. Richard Hamilton, Bradley Beal, and Devin Booker. It's a nice one. Yeah, a lot of people got him top 5. Ben Simmons, DeMar DeRozan, Duke mascot. Then we got Josh Hart, Kevin Durant, and Damian Lillard. All right, box 2. Yeah, we'll have one more break, this same break tomorrow for the draft, and then we'll have football Thursday. Got John Wall, Paul George, and we got Patrick Williams. And he's going to be for Florida State. One to Brian K. Then we got Udoka as a Buke from Kansas for an auto. That's going to Josh. Russell Westbrook, LaMarcus Aldridge. Got Derrick Rose. Got Shy. There's James Wiseman for Memphis. Figured we'd see him come out. They had like 3 or 4 of them last night. DeAndre Hunter. Got Trae Young. And Kawhi Leonard. How's it going, Josh? Well, these packages are very thin on these cards. They rip very easy. All right, let's see what we got. We got Klay Thompson, C.J. McCollum, Michigan State mascot. Got Magic Johnson, Jaylen Brown, and Chris Paul. Lauri Markkanen, Kyrie Irving, Isaac Okoro, second one of him for Auburn. Kevin Durant, that's going to be red. Chris Middleton, Zach LaVine. There's Lonzo Ball, Devontae Graham, Bill Russell. Got a Jerry Lamb, red. J.J. Redick, and Jaren Jackson. Al Horford, Stephen Curry, Ed Davis. There's a Josh Green for Arizona. One to Gregory. Devin Hooker, Joe Embiid. Karl Anthony Towns, DeAndre Ayton, Kentucky mascot. And we got a red of Kevin Love, Damian Lillard, and Bradley Beal. All right, guys, box 3. Don't see many of the green shimmers. All right, Buddy Hield, Kemba Walker, and for Kentucky, Nick Richards. One to Griffin. Got Blake Griffin, red. Joe Embiid, and J.J. Redick. Ja Morant, Victor Oladipo, Jerry Lucas. Then for Florida State, we got Devin Vassell, one to Brian K, Bradley Beal, and Devin Booker. That's red. Devin. All right, Ben Simmons, DeMar DeRozan. And for North Carolina, we got Danny Green, Udoka as a Buke for Kansas. See another one to go with your auto, Josh. Kevin Durant, Damian Lillard. John Wall, we got Paul George, Auburn mascot. Rui Hachimura, red. Carmelo Anthony, and Kevin Love. Got Derrick Rose, Shea, and Sadiq Bey for Villanova. That's going to Griffin. And auto's going to be going to Louisville. It's going to be Steven Enoch. That's going to Jeff. R.J. Barrett and Drew Holiday. Right, we got Klay Thompson, C.J. McCollum, Anthony Edwards, draft class for Georgia. That's going to Brian K. We got Carmelo Anthony, Jimmy Butler, and Pascal. Got L'Oreal Markkanen, Kylie Irvin, LSU mascot, Justin Jackson, James Harden, and D'Angelo Russell. All right, box 4, last box, guys. Laurie Markkanen, Kyrie Irvin, sorry. Montreal's Herald. And for Kentucky, got Nick Richards. That's going to be red. Parallel also. And that's going to Griffin. We got Jaylen Brown. And we got Chris Paul. There's Lonzo Ball, Devontae Graham, and for Vanderbilt, there's Aaron Nesmith. Going to Griffin. Miami mascot, Chris Middleton, and Zach LaVine. Got Al Horford, Stephen Curry. There it is, LaMelo Ball. International. I was wondering when he'd come out. Then we got Devontae Graham, J.J. Redick, and Jaren Jackson. Melo Ball going to Richard, International. All right, Karl Anthony Towns, DeAndre Ayton, got Ray Allen, C.J. McCollum red, Devin Booker, Joe Embiid. Trae Young, Jason Tatum. We got Syracuse mascot, another James Wiseman, red, for Memphis. That's going to Brian K. Damian Lillard, Bradley Beal. All right, last 2 packs, guys. Got Donovan Mitchell, Blake Griffin, Christian Laettner, and we got Tyrese Maxey for Kentucky. Going to Griffin, and Kevin Love, and Kevin Durant. Got Zion, Marcus Aldridge, Isaac Okoro for Auburn, going to Brian K. Lonzo Ball, Drew Holiday, and Carmelo Anthony. I'll do a quick recap. Get this last one sleeved up. All right, Isaac Okoro, Tyrese Maxey, James Wiseman, Anthony Edwards, Aaron Nesmith, Obi Toppin, Anthony Edwards, Saddiq Bey, Stephen Enoch auto, Udoka Azubuike, Devin Vassell, Nick Richards, Josh Green, Isaac Okoro, Deni Avdija, Patrick Williams, Killian Hayes, Isaac Okoro, Josh Green, Malachi Flynn auto, James Wiseman, Nick Richards auto, Obi Toppin, Udoka Azubuike auto, and LaMelo Ball. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be here at the same time tomorrow. Hope y'all guys enjoy the draft tomorrow. See you then.